This is an over cheesy egg. Okay, now for this. You can use cheddar cheese, or you can use mozzarella, you can use Monterey Jack. I'm gonna use sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can also use extra sharp, but it's a lot easier just to do it with sharp cheddar. Now, something I need to tell you about this is this won't work as well with that pre-grated store-bought stuff. It'll only work when you grate it yourself, really, because that store-bought pre-grated stuff, they usually coat it with like flour and chemicals and stuff so it doesn't stick. So this sort of cheese crust will not build the right way. It'll sort of just stick to your pan and be kind of weird. So make sure to get yourself just a block of cheddar just like this and grate it yourself. So I'm just gonna do the thickest grate setting here and grate the whole thing. There we go, grated cheddar cheese. Now, cheddar cheese on a skillet. One egg. Gold flaky salt. Okay, so once you got your cheese down, just go ahead and crack your egg onto that. Let it go on medium heat, and then you should start to see a crust will build on the cheese. That's the cool part about this. It'll be like a cheesy crust. This is also a really cool way to seal, say, a breakfast burrito. That's what we used to do at the restaurant too. And then just throw it down on the cheese. We're gonna give us a good old cheese seal. So yeah, have fun with this. This is some chorizo oil. I love chorizo, so I'll just add a touch of this to my eggs. So good.